What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you step by step how to cut a clean mid-round fade on a low cut. If you're a beginner barber or trying to perfect your fade game, this tutorial is for you. Let's get into it. First, start with your clipper with no guard and the lever fully closed. You create your bald guideline around the head at mid-level. Make sure the line is even and round on both sides. This is the foundation of the fade, so take your time here. Next, you open the lever fully, still no guard, and create your second guideline slightly above the bald line, about ½ an inch. This will help you build the transition. Now you close the lever halfway and begin fading out the bald line into the open lever guideline. Use soft flicking motions with your wrist. Don't dig into the head, just light, controlled strokes. You attach your number 1 guard and close the lever. Now start fading the bulk hair into the blend you just created. Always flick outwards to avoid creating new lines. Open the lever and continue blending higher into the bulk. This helps smooth out any dark areas. Remember to brush constantly so you can see what you're doing clearly. Now evenly reduce the top to achieve a clean low cut. Make sure everything is balanced and smooth. Remove the guard and open the lever to detail the fade. You should be focusing on any dark spots or visible lines. Small, light flicks make a big difference. Finally, line up the front hairline using your trimmer. Keep it sharp but natural. After that, apply aftershave for that clean, professional finish. And that's how you achieve a clean mid-round fade on a low cut. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more barber tutorials. See you in the next one.